Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. On the completion of the successful 3rd International Medical Education Conference 2026, the President, College of Physicians Surgeons Pakistan, Professor Khalid Masood Gondal, hosted a post-conference dinner in honor of the delegation from the United Kingdom, which included Professor Mike Hellesy, Region Director, CPSP Birmingham, Dr. Asad Rahim, and Professor Dr. Javed Kiani. The journey of IMECON 2026 was preceded by a series of nationwide pre-conference academic engagements, marking a strong kick-off to the conference. The 3rd International Medical Education Conference was held from 4th February to 8th February 2026, preceded by 164 pre-conference workshops, including inaugural workshop held at Liaquat College of Medicine and Dentistry, Karachi, which was presided over by the Honorable Federal Minister for Education and Professional Training, Mr. Khalid Maqbool Siddiqui, while Chairman, Standing Committee of Senate for National Health and Coordination, Honorable Senator Mr. Amir Waliuddin Chishti, Honorable Senator Ms. Samina Mumtaz Zahri, and Honorable Mr. Senator Sarmat Ali graced the occasion as guest of honor, followed by another pre-conference workshop at Liaquat National Hospital, Karachi, hosted by its Executive Director, Professor Salman Faridi. In connection with IMECON 2026, CPSP also hosted a prestigious pre-international conference dinner at its Islamabad Region Centre, which was graced by the Honorable Federal Interior Minister Syed Mohsin Raza Naqvi, Honorable Federal Law Minister Mr. Azam Nazir Tarar, former Health Minister Punjab Dr. Jamal Nasir, Executive Director Higher Education Commission Professor Ziaul Haq, diplomats, senior leadership of the Armed Forces, Medical Corps, Honorable Ambassadors and heads of medical institutions. The academic proceedings of IMECON 2026 formally commenced on 4th and 5th February 2026 at CPSP headquarters, Karachi, with a high-impact symposium titled Compassion in Clinical Education from Teaching Empathy to Practicing Humanity. Distinguished national and international leaders, including presidents and former presidents of Royal Colleges, actively participated. On 6 February 2026, CPSP proudly held its 59th convocation ceremony at Karachi headquarters, during which degrees were conferred upon more than 947 medical specialists. The ceremony was raised by the presence of Honorable Federal Minister for Health Syed Mustafa Kamal as a chief guest. The event was graced by the distinguished guest of honor, including Dr. Marcia Clark, President of Royal College of Physicians Surgeons of Canada, and Professor Dr. Hani Eteba, President of Royal College of Physicians Surgeons of Glasgow. The ceremony reflected CPSP's legacy, growth, and leadership in postgraduate medical education. The International Medical Education Conference was officially inaugurated on 7 February 2026 at CPSP headquarters, Karachi, with participation of renowned global medical leaders. The conference focused on evolving demands in medical education, innovation, collaboration, compassion, and resilience. International speakers and leaders from Royal Colleges and global regulatory bodies highly appreciated CPSP's governance, examination systems, training quality, and international standing. The conference also featured the inauguration of the e-poster exhibition and special recognition of distinguished contributors to medical education. The detailed proceedings of IMECON 2026, pre-conference workshops, 59th convocation, and inaugural ceremony are provided separately in the description of this video. Following the successful conclusion of the 3rd International Medical Education Conference 2026, a post-conference meeting and grand dinner was hosted on 11 February 2026 at the CPSP Region Centre, Lahore, under the patronage of President CPSP Professor Khalid Masood Gondal. The ceremony commenced with the recitation of the Holy Quran by Professor Amir Zaman Khan, followed by the national anthem. The proceedings were gracefully conducted by Professor Abrar Ashraf Ali. President CPSP Professor Khalid Masood Gondal, in his welcome address, expressed gratitude to the distinguished guest and said that the post-conference dinner is continuation and celebration of the academic success of the 3rd International Medical Education Conference 2026. He emphasized that IMECON 2026 was not merely a conference, but a reflection of CPSP's sustained commitment to academic excellence, ethical values, compassion, and international collaboration. Dr. Asad Rahim and Professor Dr. Javed Kayani echoed similar sentiments, stating that the conference met international benchmarks and opened new avenues for future collaboration in postgraduate medical education and quality healthcare delivery. A central and highly appreciated feature of the evening was a special presentation by the present CPSP, in which he also shared a video showcasing the trust of international guests and presidents of Royal Colleges who participated in IMECON 2026. The link of this important video is given in the description of this video. The chief guest, Professor Dr. Rashid Latif Khan, paid rich tribute to the founder of CPSP, Lieutenant General Bajat Ali Burki, former presidents Professor Sultan Farooqi and Professor Zafrullah Chaudhry, stating that due to their vision and tireless efforts, CPSP today represents Pakistan at the global level and successfully supervising 90 fellowship programs. He also appreciated the dynamic leadership of President of CPSP, Professor Khalid Masood Gondal, and said that under his stewardship, this institution is progressing by leaps and bounds. He wished and prayed for the continuation of CPSP leadership under the magnetic patronage of Professor Khalid Masood Gondal. He also appreciated a strong bond between present council members and exemplary friendship of Professor Khalid Masood Gondal and Professor Muhammad Shoaib Shafi. At the conclusion of the event, CPSP Councillor and Vice Chancellor King Edward Medical University Professor Mahmood Ayaz delivered the vote of thanks. This was followed by the distribution of commemorative shields, and the ceremony ended with a group photograph. Thank you.